well, we'll see what happened. Let's go.
Okay. That's 693s consecutive.
Well, we got confirmation. We heard him saying as adding, but there's still no guarantee much. So you know what? I concur. But no, we got confirmation. 558 days.
And I know the public defender wish she could have put her hand over his mouth.
if she wishes at that point she was Mr. Fantastic, she would have stretched it out and shut him down right
there.
Put
her hand over his mouth. If you ever wanted to put your hand over somebody's mouth, that was to stop them from talking.
Yep.
But you can't do that.
No. Nope. Let him hit the wall on his own. Welcome to What Had Happened Was.
When we take a peek into actual court cases and give you commentary based on our unique perspective and experiences, and also give you informational tips and tricks to help you avoid a what had happened situation.
Before we get started, give us a thumbs up, a tasteful comment. Subscribe to the channel to be notified of every video as they come out. All defendants are considered innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
Case People versus Daryl Jarrell. Ernie is so happy to see you.
I am very happy to see you. Good afternoon, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perny on behalf of Mr. Jarrell. Please state your name.
Daryl. Okay. And where are we on his case?
Well, see, Your Honor, what happened was...
Your Honor, we have not had contact practice today. I think the number we have for you is
I don't have a phone. So whoever gave you a number was invalid.
Okay. So I'll need to figure out a way to get in touch with him so we can go over the case together.
So are there two separate? Got it.
If I give you my number.
What is?
You have a P.O. box?
I don't have a phone. I have a center. Use a P.O. box, I think.
Okay. Do you have an email address?
No. I'm on his radar. Use electronics.
All right. So you guys are going to be trying to figure out a way to get to make contact with each other, right? So.
Yeah.
Okay. So the reason I say that is let me just do this. Let me give you a little bit of time so that I'm going to turn this out to September 4th, 2024, 9 a.m.
What's the holdup?
Oh.
It's trespassing.
Pardon?
I don't understand what the holdup is. It's trespassing.
So he's questioning why are we adjourning this case.
But he literally just got into this case. He just got this lawyer, even though the crime might have been committed when it was committed. Now, why he didn't get a lawyer before?
I don't know. One knows he has a lawyer now, and the lawyer needs time to prepare the case in order to find out whether we can dismiss this case or not. We don't know where they are in this case. We just know the lawyer just got assigned, and she has to have some time to prepare her case, to defend the client.
Proper defense.
Proper defense.
So he's upset because the lawyer is asking for more time to prepare a proper defense?
No, the lawyer didn't say anything. Judge Simpson said,
he's going to adjourn
I'm going to adjourn it to give you time. And he's like, it's trespassing. Why do we need all this time?
Because they need to look at what's going on. Now, you have been in the case from the beginning because you have been in the case from the beginning.
Exactly.
But all these people are coming into all of this late. He's also not in custody.
This is true.
Because he walked into the courtroom.
He's in street clothes. He's not on
I can understand I'm not saying that he's not frustrated, but I can understand him being even more frustrated by postponement, by him actually being locked up and not having a bond hearing or anything like that. But they have to review the case. So meanwhile, he's free.
What do you mean what's the holdup is?
This is it's an arraignment, right? Or a preliminary exam?
No. You're not charged with a felony, so it's not a preliminary examination.
Right.
You were arraigned in this on July 24th.
Mm-hmm.
They set this date. Your attorney hasn't been able to talk to you about the cases at all.
Okay.
So I'm trying to I can set it for 2 weeks out.
Yeah.
But the problem.
I'm tired of the state. I'm ready to leave this state.
So either he's moving out of state.
I don't know.
From Michigan, or he doesn't live in Michigan and he wants to go back to wherever he comes from, which either way, And
no, it makes a difference. First of all, the lawyer's coming in cold on this case. She's coming in. All she has is what you're charged with. She hasn't spoken to her client, so she can't frame a proper defense. You make a proper plea, because the fact is, I'm coming in cold. All I have is what you're charged with. I haven't spoken to you to find out what exactly happened, what the circumstances are.
And the usual circumstances in that case, what you just explained, is to get an adjournment.
Yeah.
To get an adjournment so that they can sit there and talk on the side and figure out, like, okay, you're here, let's talk about this, or let's go with this is what they're saying, or whatever, or let me see what else I need to do so that you can
and tell me your side of
and tell me your side of what's going on.
And so now,
but he's like, I just want to get out of here.
So now, first of all, that's going to be a problem, because first of all, that didn't sound too respectful to me. It sounded a little attitudinous. Plus, on top of that, if he's not from the state, he's a flight risk. So now you gotta,
and if he is from the state and he's saying he's trying to leave, it's still a flight risk.
Yeah.
So and then they haven't even been able to get in. Have they ever been able to get in contact with him?
The lawyer has not had. They have been trying to contact him. The address they gave him,
carrier pigeon,
sketchy.
No phone.
The kite, smoke signal, nothing worked. Smoke signal didn't work. The balloon
so the
didn't
only
work,
thing that helped is that he knew that it was a
telegraph didn't work.
He knew that it was a court date and he came in for it.
That's it. You haven't to know that.
So if he wouldn't have come in, he would have got a failure to appear.
And he would have got a bond, immediate bond on that situation. So he does not appreciate what's going on. He's coming in with a really bad attitude. And again, she has not been able. This is the first time she's speaking to him since he's been charged.
As soon as possible. It's trespassing. I could technically leave and you guys could issue a warrant. As long as I don't return, you can kiss my ass.
Does he realize that he might be thinking this, but he's saying it out loud? Because that's what it sounds like. It sounds like he's thinking it, but he's saying, actually, instead of just thinking it, he's saying it out loud.
I don't know what he's thinking, but I know he's definitely in contempt of court.
Because we can all hear it.
That was.
I don't think he knows we all can hear it.
I heard it. You heard it?
Yes, I heard it. But I don't think. I'm confused. I think he doesn't think that we all could hear what he said. I think he thought he was saying it to himself.
His mind and not thinking about the consequences of his actions.
Wow.
He's just another case of wrong and strong.
This is not gonna be cute.
It just went left. Let's see what happens.
This is you know what? No. I'm gonna tell you what. You don't come in here. You don't. Fuck you. Okay, that's contempt. That's 93.
93.
93.
He skipped straight past 30. He went straight for the gusto. 93.
Fuck you. That's another 93. That's another 93.
He hit him with 2 93s. That's already 186 days.
Plus that first 93. Jeez.
So that's 6 months, 279.
That's ridiculous.
That's 9 months.
Let's see how far he's gonna go with this.
That's another 93.
372.
Another 93.
So he's already at a year. For somebody who was trying to leave, he doesn't seem like he's getting ready to go anywhere.
It's not that important anymore.
That's another 93.
He's at 465 right now.
Oh my gosh. Let's go. It's ridiculous.
6 times 93 is 558 days. He's
Ridiculous.
going to do almost a year and a half, almost 2 years on a trespassing charge that they don't even know if they have proof that he actually did it.
That he wants to leave the state.
That he wanted to leave. Well, I don't think you're leaving right now. And then the judge hit him consecutive, not concurrent,
nope.
Consecutive, which means he got to do each and every charge.
He got to eat those charges. And again, the contempt of court is worse than the actual charge itself.
That's 693s consecutive.
Well, we got confirmation. We heard him saying as adding, but there's still no guarantee much. So you know what? Concurrent. But no, we got confirmation. 558 days.
And I know that the public defender wish she could have put her hand over his mouth.
If she wishes at that point she was Mr. Fantastic, she would have stretched it out and shut him down right
there.
Put
her hand over his mouth. If you ever wanted to put your hand over somebody's mouth to stop them from talking.
Yep.
But you can't do that.
No. Nope. Gotta let him hit the wall on his own.
So has anybody seen the jaw drop on the gentleman in the left-hand corner? He's like,
Oh my gosh. He's like, oh,
Am I hope
don't
I'm
call me
not
next.
next.
Don't call me
Please
next.
don't call me
Please
next.
don't call me next.
Please don't call me
Lord,
next.
if
Please
you
don't call
love
me
me,
next.
please don't
Please,
let
please,
me.
please, please, please.
Please.
Please, please, please. I wish I could disappear.
I
Oh
promise.
man, why did I
never
get
do this
myself
again.
jammed up and have to come to court today?
Oh my gosh. If why I gotta be next was a person, oh my gosh.
Close case, People versus Keith Jenkins. Mr. Jenkins does not want to, he does not want to unmute. He does.
I wouldn't either.
Who would go after that?
Oh my gosh.
I guess he's like, can we please get an adjourn? I'll take an adjourn. I don't know what I'll take.
I'll take anything other than can I go I'm already home. Can I go in another room right now for a minute?
And the only thing that will save him is that Judge Simpson compartmentalizes his things. Whatever
Yes,
he does at that moment, and then he closes that paper in that folder, and that's it.
He's very fair. He does not sit there and take his anger or frustration or even disappointment on next.
He allows the next person to
he deals
have
with everyone
their
individually, 1-to-1.
I mean, and a lot of other judges do.
Yeah.
A lot of other
I'm not
judges
taking
do
nothing
as
from any
well.
other judge.
But I'm saying that I know that Judge Simpson is not that type of judge. But
that won't cloud his. It
won't cloud his judgment. But woo!
But it pushes him. It pushes his patience. That's for sure. Definitely puts it right on the edge.
I think the judge has like a punching bag in the office or something like that.
I wouldn't be
Takes
surprised
a
if
few
he
minutes
did.
and works it out.
He does.
I had a lot to write down on that.
I'm sorry. I just seen how you doing, Your Honor? How you doing, sir? Oh man.
I'm doing great.
Because he don't want to do anything and get locked up with that guy too.
I think he gave the appropriate response that you can give under the circumstances.
How are you doing? How are you
doing, Your Honor?
Right, because he's
It's
trying to
like,
take the temperature of the room right now.
Right now, and that's it. Yeah, like you said, yeah, you don't end up in jail.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate with and on behalf of Mr. Jenkins. Mr. Jenkins, can you please state your full name for the record?
Yes, Keith Bernard Jenkins Jr.
You're all right, Mr. Jenkins. None of that bothered me. That guy, I don't know what his problem was. Don't worry about it. Jenkins really did not want to hit his. He's like, he wanted to black his screen and pretend like he wasn't here. All right.
We are just respectfully requesting adjournment in this matter, Your Honor. There is an offer in this file, which I have discussed with Mr. Jenkins. We're just requesting a brief adjournment to look at the video discovery. And I will say also for the record that Mr. Jenkins is obscenely professional whenever I've talked with him. So I don't.
Really?
And Mr. Jenkins was worried, but nothing to worry about, Mr. Jenkins. You're okay.
Okay. Yeah. And
Why, he didn't have anything to say to me?
He did not.
Oh, okay. I don't know. People just kept talking to me. It just turns out bad for them. All right. How much time are you guys going to need to try to get through what you got to get through?
Just 2 to 3 weeks, Your Honor.
2024.
okay. Oh, wait. And one question, if one.
Uh-oh.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, go ahead.
Because I happen. What I don't want is I would like to be able, like, after everything is clear, would that affect any of my just to be able to get in the field of law enforcement? Like, would it be on my record? I don't want.
I got you. You know what? Hang on a second. I'm going to adjourn it to September. No, hold on. I'm going to adjourn it to September 4th because it sounds like you got to go through the evidence, you got a lot of questions, and talk in more detail with your attorney about that, okay?
Okay.
All right. 2024. 90. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Mr. Jenkins. You can log off now and we'll be in touch, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Take care. Which files?
Those one over there.
His files?
Mm-hmm.
Do I need to recall them?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
I'm just curious if I can take them.
Yes, you can take them. It's 693.
In each file?
Yep.
Oh, that's 12, right?
As I wrote 6X.
6X. Think parenting, that's a record. Actually, it's not. Somebody got 7. Oh, a long time ago. Court calls the case. People versus Edward Johnson.
Conrad Silver on behalf of.
Good afternoon, this is the Public Defender Director on behalf of Mr. Johnson. Mr. Johnson, please state your name.
Edward Johnson. Good morning, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Afternoon.
Thank you. Yes, sir. Good afternoon. All right, what are we doing?
We are.
Everybody is so nice. You know, I'm just saying. What are you asking to do in this?
So, Mr. Johnson is trying to get his license.
Got it.
He believes he is eligible at this point, but he is homeless and
Okay.
is struggling financially with everything that's needed from Secretary of State. So,
so he's okay. He's trying to get all this stuff together, but that takes.
right.
Got it.
So we're asking for a lengthy adjournment. So he can do that. Is that what you want to do today, Mr. Johnson?
Yes, because I can get my license back in October, but they say I can
October.
I can drive them back and forth to work, get them, restricted before that. So that's what I'm working on right now.
Oh, right.
Okay, so you think you can get your license back in October?
Yes, because I didn't know they were revoked. They sent it to my old address, and that's when I got pulled over. I had no idea they was revoked. So that's what happened with that.
Okay, I got you.
Sorry.
Okay,
Yeah, I think he can get a restricted license sooner than October.
sooner than October.
Yeah.
But let's do
that's
this.
that's what I'm working on.
Give me what's my beginning of October?
October 2nd.
2nd.
Or the 16th.
Or the 16th. All right. I'm going to give you, take a little bit of the pressure off. I'll adjourn this.
Thank you, Your Honor. And may I say something?
Yes, sir.
I had no idea it was going to be before you, and I was actually watching you last night.
What? You were watching me last night?
Yeah, I had no idea I was going to be before you either. That was crazy.
Well, I hope you learned something.
Yeah, you had me laughing.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
No, thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate your time. You too, prosecutor.
Court calls the case, People versus Stephen John.
Thanks for watching.
And also give us a thumbs up, like, comment, share. Subscribe to the channel, and you'll be notified of every video as they come up. And get that algorithm going and help us build this channel in 2024.
And make sure that you don't wind up in a what had happened situation. Boom, boom, boom.